Okay, so, look, here. Anyway, there's a new place called Chrysalis. You go inside, you go inside, this place where, it's a really cool place with lots of crystals. And I discovered this place in the volcano area. Anyway, I'm going to go there right now. I use the map, the Temple of Zeus. Called Chrysalis. I don't know, but anyways, look, there's a staircase going down in there. And there's new things called these, anyways, they look like that. See? It's a snowflake red panda. It's a red panda. And she has a pet llama. I might start a trade with her. And I don't want any of these because I already have them. Okay, let's start going in there. Anyways, it's full of crystals. See? Crystals everywhere. Look, there's a water fountain place. And it's really cool. I love it this way so much. And there's these people here. And look. There's this place. See. Look. It's a mirror. It's a thing of a mirror. Yeah, it's really cool. And I don't know. Look, there's masterpieces here. He's a wolf. It's okay. Ooh, look at this. Oh, I want that. That. Ooh, nice. I don't want that. I want that. And that. Yeah. That. And that. And that. And that. And let's try to start a trade with her. Yeah, this is it. So I got a few pets. Let's accept the trade for nothing. So it's really fun. Why do they always not accept the trade? It's so bad. So they put stuff on trade that they won't even trade with. I'm going to my den. Wait a minute. No, it's guest jammer. And there's new things. Going to a den. She kind of looked like she had a beard for a minute. Anyway. Oh, she has a cozy area here. And, my place, sit here. If you sit here. No. If you sit. See, here it says level up. Now, spin the daily wheel. Oh, and I got 5 sapphires. Yay, I love that. 5 sapphires. Got that. And it's Jamadale. And I'd like if she added more stuff to it then. It's not that good. Actually, I am going to go Jamadale Jam Party. It's really nice. I think I've been there before, and there's this candy side. I can eat the floor. Yum, yum. Oh. Oh, look at the lollipops outside. I wish I could get. And it's full of gingerbread. It's a gingerbread house. Look. It's chocolate. And I have to get over here on the roof. Down the slide. It's really nice. I'm proud. Going on the scary side. What do I have anything here? What do I like some of that, but don't want to be wasting my sapphires. I have 13. Yeah, I have 13. I don't really like it. So, someone with gingerbread face. Anyways, I mean like bread face. Bread. Want that. And want that. I want 2 of them. I think I can see someone above me. Yes, this is how you get stuff from people. I know, something like that. Hi. Wait. Hi there. Hi there. Why? Why? I am recording. Wait, or I am recording. Why am I am recording. I am recording. Yeah. You will be on YouTube. You will be on YouTube. Come on. Yeah, he's not doing it. Anyways, people are having a party here because it's. Ooh, I like these. I like that. Look at all these nice things. All over trades. Oh, what? I love going on this side so much. I love it. Wait, what? Oh no, someone's here. Oh, come on. Come on. There we go. Now we got her. Oh, I hate when people have masterpieces. Let me see what it says. My trade rules. My altars are not for trade. Do not low. Do not ask for free things. I do not like blind trades. Check my wish before trading me. Stay kind, fair, and amazing. Yeah, I like that. I would trade with her, and then she could do it. I don't know what to do. I'll give her this, because I don't really wear it. Hi. Hi. Why? 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 Why?
Die Höhe macht mir ziemlich deutlich schaffen. Die Kopfschmerzen haben gestern auf dem Pass angefangen und wurden zum Abend hin fast unerträglich. Seitdem geht alles
No.
Ich weiß gerade nicht so richtig, was ich machen soll. Ich kann nicht einschätzen,
No.
was ich höre. Und ich fühle mich auch nicht ganz so empfindlich. Ich stehe mega unter Strom und ich kann fahren. Und um uns herum sind überall Kranke, die mit ewigen Urnen transportiert werden. Am nächsten Morgen
Sure.
the glacier down there and then go Clear Lake.
I am sure. Even if it is trading rules.
And that's
Hey, maybe I said something wrong. That was supposed to be not trade. It was supposed to be trading rules. Let me see if I can buddy her. I like snakes. Snakes are nice. Okay. Well, bye.